So getting your Yeelight set up is pretty simple. First you screw the bulb into the socket, as I've already done, with the light off. Then you install the Yeelight app, and that's the logo there. I'm going to click that and open that. You do have to create an account. It's a Xiaomi account if you haven't already, so you need to do that. And then you're ready to go. You just click Add Device, and then you do have to have location permissions on Android in order to set this up. And then you tell it what you're going to do, and I'm going to say I'm going to do a bulb. I have a light bulb, and this is the W3 multicolor bulb. So I'm going to click that, and then it's just guiding me. It's telling me what to do. Switch the bulb on and off 5 times in a row. This is the same way you install most Wi-Fi lights. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut it. And you see now it's doing that color thing where it's going through colors. That's kind of how you know that it's ready to go. And it gives you those instructions there. It tells you that it'll be white. It'll do multicolors and then go white. So then we go next, and you see it's already found it. It's right there. So I'm going to click that and click next. And then I'm going to click next, and now you got to sign into your Wi-Fi. Pick your Wi-Fi and enter the password so that it can connect to your Wi-Fi, and then it'll be ready to go. So I'm going to do that. Now when you do that, what it's going to do is, you can see it's going to ask you to connect your phone directly to the bulb's Wi-Fi so that it can send your Wi-Fi password information over. While it's doing that, it's flashing in the background to let you know that it's actually doing stuff. And it also gives you a little percentage thing here so you can see that it's getting done. And now it's all done. And you can name it. So I'm going to name this bedside lamp. And click next. And you can turn land control on or off, just the way that you can use it. And now there's different things you can do. You can control the brightness. So I'm going to do that right now. You can see, dim it all the way down. So it's all good to go. And you can change the white temperature. So from a more blue white to a more yellow white. You can see you've got all the range there. More blue white, more yellow white, and more in the middle. And you can change it really bright and really dim. So you full control. You can also do different colors. So you've got red, you've got purple, green, aqua, and you can have it lighter or deeper. So whether you want it a deeper blue, or you want it more of a white blue, you can anywhere in there. And then you kind of got it flows where you can have it go to different colors. So you've got that as well. Lots of different things you can do, but this is how you set it up, and now you're ready to go.